Quix, the experts for surface technology, present the ultimate metal care product made in Germany, all metal polish. Ensure gleaming luster for chrome, aluminum, brass, stainless steel, and many other metals. Quix All Metal Polish, the 3-in-1 solution cleans, polishes, and seals in only one step. Simply put some of the Quix high-performance polish on a cloth and remove the most stubborn opponents such as corrosion, oxidation, abrasive traces, and burnt-in brake dust in an instant. Look at the difference! Quix All Metal Polish, the 3-in-1 solution for all metals that cleans, polishes, and seals. Its very effective protective layer allows water and contamination to simply roll off. Whether car, motorcycle, boat, or musical instrument, with Quix All Metal Polish, all metals gleam with a new luster. Best appearance and genuine value retention with do-it-yourself solutions for professional results from Quix. Quality made in Germany. Quix works. The Quix repair system also provides other do-it-yourself solutions made in Germany. The paint scratch remover for all depths of scratches. The repair pen for damage to the paint and stone chips. The scratch remover for acrylic and perspex. The headlight restoration kit.